tick-tock, you don't stop. Stop to the tick-tock, you don't stop. Stop to the tick-tock, you don't stop. Stop to the tick-tock, you don't stop. Stop to the
inside, take off your coat, I'll make you feel.
What's up with it? I'm good.
I dropped in on Tracy today just to bring her some flowers. She loves fresh flowers. Nothing makes her happier. She's the friend who desires fresh florals in her home every week, and you know I share the same sentiment. Sometimes just a single random glance at some well-arranged florals can give you the boost that you didn't know you needed. In a lot of ways, I feel like florals symbolize our friendship. Not that they wither and die, but what's required to keep them in full bloom. We need friends to tell us when we're not being watered and when we need to be. Friends that celebrate us for our color, or who can tell when we've lost color in our cheeks. Remind us that we're fragile and delicate. When we need nourishment, or be honest with us and tell us when to clip our ends. When to stand tall and stand firm. And remind us that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Sometimes it's about showing up when not being asked and making a conscious effort to water our friendships to keep them where they need to be. Tracy just opened up her first culinary studio where she's going to host private dinners and cooking courses. I'm so elated for her to have this space where she can bring all her food visions to life. She's such a culinary artiste, heavy on the teast. It was also good for us to get together and talk about our personal lives. We both had so much to catch up on. It's always a good time and an even exchange when we link up. our comforter washed.
Are you gonna do it yourself or?
No, we want to do the drop-off program. Okay, yeah. Y'all, that was $39 for all that laundry to get done. So let's head to the nail shop. Well, wait, should I get a snack first? You know your girl always wants a snack. What happened with this weather, but all of a sudden it's 50 degrees. You saw what I had on yesterday. Now I got a sweatshirt on, hat, and I'm drinking coffee. Well, I'm always drinking coffee. That's nothing new. But I'm just saying, oh my God. It's bricky out here. So it rained really, really, really bad last night, but it sounded so good as I was sleeping. I actually went and opened the window because I like to hear the rain while I'm sleeping. But then I started getting a cough, and then I started getting this pocket of drainage over my eye. Can't really see it because I covered it in makeup. So I was like, we gotta close the window. I'm gonna get sick. But anyway, I'm gonna go pick up the laundry that we dropped off yesterday. Even though I paid for same day pickup, I never ended up making it back over to that side of town. So we are going to go pick up the loft laundry, flip the loft, get it ready, hit Trader Joe's, and hopefully hit a bookstore. I finished The Crown. I watched the entire thing, I told y'all, and I rewatched the entire thing again last night. So yeah, now we need to move on to something else. I also watched The Watcher, and I really want my time back because, I mean, I don't want to give it away, but the ending, I want my time back. Y'all hit me back when y'all solve the case. I don't want to be abreast of what's going on in the middle. Hit me back when you solve it. Anyway, about to play some tunes. Go to the laundromat, pick up the... About to play some tunes, hit the laundromat. Wait, let's just do that all over because I'm a mess. Anyway, about to, yeah. right, guys. Wave Max, that's the place. Jay actually gave me some vouchers. So if you come up here, maybe I should pop some on the screen, I don't know, but you get 10% off and I get 10% off. So we'll see. Here he comes now. I'm shouting you out on my YouTube. You guys go see Jay at Wave Max in Carrollton. Wait, Jay Money. Jay Money, right? All right, all good. Thank you so much, Jay.
Yeah, great day.
All right, I'll see you probably this week.
All right, for sure.
All right, have a good one. Bye.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes.
So you tighten it off.
Yeah, you had screws at the bottom all loose. I'm in New York, bro. I gotta walk to my
You gonna take the car all the way home?
all the way to the car.
Sales from classic gold hoops.
Guys, it is the coldest day of the year. It's currently 16 degrees outside and it feels like what?
-0.
-0. It is freezing out here. Let me put my glove back on. Are you making faces in the vlog?
I'm just smiling.
You're just smiling. Okay, yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna start that over because I was thinking it through. Which
More songs.
2 more songs.
With them kill your fire, good John knows.
Oh, she busting rhythm.
Oh, John knows.
Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Jamie Jame? Who's that baby?